Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Mrs. Vaishali Vivek Joshi. Today I would like to tell you one secret about mathematics. And do you know what is that secret? That secret is mathematics is very interesting. Only the thing is, if we talk about any concept, any formula, you must be knowing the formula. Sometimes you know the formula, but there should be two questions with you. The two questions are, one is how and another is why. If you will approach each concept of mathematics with these two questions, you will find the interesting phase of mathematics. Let us take the example of one concept of 10th standard of the chapter solids mensuration. Let us take the example of surface area of cylinder. If I'll ask you, what is a cylinder? Everyone know the answer of this. If I'll ask you, what is the formula for surface area of cylinder? When I'll say surface area, of course there will be two cases. One, it will be curved surface area, and another, it will be total surface area. So, 90% of you must be knowing the answer for the formula, but when you will find it interesting, instead of memorizing the formula, when you will deal with these two questions, one is why is this formula and another is how this formula has derived. So let us see today, let us elaborate the concept of derivation of formula for curved surface area of cylinder. Okay. Let us take the example, or let us find how the formula must have derived. Okay, now I'll show you one thing. If I'll show you this sheet of paper. So, what is the shape of this paper? Each and everyone knows this is a rectangle, isn't it? What is the formula for rectangle? The formula for rectangle is, do you know? Yes, of course you know. What are the measurements? Measurements are, this is length and this is breadth. This is breadth. Okay. And the area of rectangle is flip-flap. The area is length into breadth. Everyone knows this. Now, if this two-dimensional figure, I will change into three-dimensional figure, and I will try to make the cylinder of this rectangle. How can I make the cylinder? There are two options for me. One, I can turn it like this. There are two options. I can make this 3D object converting it around its length and once around its breadth. So in these two ways, either I will get this cylinder like this or like this. So there are so many things in our daily life which are cylindrical in shape. The object which I am showing, a pipe, is like this. Like I was just doing certain other things, then we can say this shape, this is again a cylindrical shape. So many cylindrical shapes you will find just around. Watching this video, if you will look at other things, you will minimum you will find 5 cylindrical shapes. Okay. So now what we know that initially बचपन में ये एक rectangle था. And what was the area of the rectangle? What is the area of rectangle? The area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now when we have turned it like this, then length and breadth both are there, but they have changed now. The length has turned into what shape? It had changed now to a circle, and breadth had changed to the height, isn't it? So with the formula area length into breadth, the length had changed into the length of a circle. Again, we know the formula, isn't it? What is the formula for length of a circle? Length of a circle is nothing but the circumference of the circle. So, the initial length which it has turned now to a length of the circle. So, what is the formula for length of a circle? Circumference of the circle. If R is the radius of this circle, then what is the, you tell me what is the circumference of the circle? Circumference of the circle is, yes, 2 pi r. And what about breadth? The breadth had changed now to the height. So, if we want to find the formula for curved surface area of a cylinder, the length has changed to circumference and breadth had changed to height. So, what will be curved surface area of cylinder? The curved surface area of the cylinder, initially what it was length into breadth, the length had changed to the circumference of the circle and breadth had changed to the height. So, now if we want to find the curved surface area, the curved surface area had changed to length into breadth had changed now to 2 pi r h. So, with the help of formula 2 pi r h, where r is the radius and h is the height of the cylinder, we can find the curved surface area of the cylinder. Like for this cylinder, if I would check the radius of this tin, and if I take the height, then I'll be able to find the curved surface area of this cylinder. Do you understand? So, what was my initial statement? The initial statement is mathematics is very interesting, and if you will face two questions. Which two questions? Why it's so and how it has derived. So, let us think in that way and let us enjoy the journey of mathematics. Thank you.